And diplomacy I go take handle am because you know say questions of emotions. You know good to toil with am so much, you understand?
Very simply, you don't need to be harsh.
Since I found out that he or she is in love with me, definitely she loves me so much or he loves me so much, and I will do the same to make her feel happy or make him feel happy.
But you get the way you sit take calm quietly so that it not go be as if say because not be her fault say she love you. You know understand, but you go dey diligent. Just make her understand say I like you, but make we not take her too far.
It's not normal. Is it normal? It's not normal. Yeah, it is. You can love me, but I cannot love you. It can't work out.
When person they love you, no good make you just bash their heart against wall. If you use diplomacy full and make to carry all in eggs, put for your basket, you go see they give am option say some other baskets they will share your eggs put. So at the end of the day, crash all your own eggs for my basket, you understand? So me personally, now so I go handle that particular situation.
Yes, so now welcome back. I say Bubbles here on top of Zobia TV. Matter what they talk about today, when I don't hear every. Now, if you just join us, now say, if person love you pieces, but you no love the person, how you go take handle the matter? Then I wait till they talk about today. Our social media portals, they run through your screen. They follow, they talk. I say they with Shaka and Showman.
So now this your question now enter two angles.
Yeah.
Because you say how you go take handle them now. Place yourself first as the person where they love. Then place yourself first as the way they love. And no one.
Okay. Now in the other way around, depending on your boldness. Some people they very bold. If you are bold enough, I think you can even call her in your own way and tell her say,
babe, see
this thing no balance.
For me,
understand? Say this thing no. No be say you tell Agba say I no love you.
But
you love me, understand?
But see, this is a very serious matter because sometimes for your life, and it happened to me even this last week. I see person where I don't know for a long while. I don't know if you do person for a very long while. Now when they turn brother and sister, now when they very close. They do a lot of events. They give me shows and but me now can't sit down one day can't think and say this girl we don't know from when we did university till now. Out of all the friends, now this girl still there. I can't make I just try tell them say I feel they consider say maybe me and you fit end up marrying. Just put them for your mind. That night I don't know what you can't do me. I don't can't go. We don't shy Osha. So I go like they don't day a little bit somewhere. I can't begin carry for call. They say, they call they play that DJ. There's nothing I would do. I swear I call it. There's nothing I would do to make you smile. Oh boy, when they get take 1 year, you don't forget Sibia, your brother and sister will be.
You know, they get some girls
and the rest. So I don't know how if that situation where we say say this one now will be your wife. And the girl they tell you say when you're there on this one business
but
level.
at that point first, where we say he don't give you straight say make una dey business level. To Ram, he never did done to Ram. Say okay,
if he happen back
with this guy.
That's why the guy go to continue.
You get.
And the guy go to push and you can't turn to pest.
Agreed. Thank you. Now the thing, another thing again, another side where they look now and I say, the way they take handle the matter again. Some people know sabi handle that kind of issue. Some people will just come do a boah. There you state. If you call them, you go say, I've told you to stop calling me. I've told you to those kind of things, they're very, very harsh. And at the end of the day, both of them are back go turn against each other. If you do them that
one thing where me I believe in life be say, I don't learn that thing. Even now, even from ever since we start to come this bar and people they watch us, no matter who you be, if you like when you ugly, when you find no the Facebook, anybody face send you messenger, so now they suffer 11:30, everybody don't be in the chat. So I answer everybody, you understand? Some people ask this stupid question where you say you go even wonder self. You go say, how you go ask me question where you say go say what's your name? But you didn't watch the show. You don't see the name Showman there already. What did they ask again for?
Oh, you have to be very patient.
But you didn't because I believe once he say person if you don't tell you really love say I love you for this life. Then no matter how much it is, you go need to try find a way to see how you fit.
Then there's the one word where Shakara just mentioned now, patience. Patience is key.
Well, not
for
everybody
this kind
gets
of
am
matter.
because na
Not
virtue.
everybody gets
Not
am,
everybody get
agree.
am, oh.
But patience is very, very key. Because now, if you be this kind of hot-tempered person, you don't know, say you don't love this babe. You don't call him the first time, sit down calmly, follow and talk him, everything. But you know another problem where I call the get, make I bring this angle again. Now, if this babe or this guy now where you they love, or where they love you, see you say you don't get another babe, some they react.
Yes. Now, you get everything I want to talk. Sorry. This, you get another way to balance them again. You know, somebody where you see say we love you, supposed to be your best friend. Yes, because now I be love, but I make they say for marriage, your wife supposed to be your best friend because on a day in love.
Not be every best friend they end into marriage.
Yeah, now they talk now.
Yeah.
Now this girl, you know, say love you, but you know love her. There's a way you feel turn the table around now, come become G. You understand?
How? If you turn into G.
Turn the table around, be say,
Yeah.
you go down, let her know, say, you know, go work. But at the same time, you dey appreciate her. For example, I bet you buy her gift. We they say you know, if you work between me and you say, I don't even get.
You dey take
person.
am out sometimes,
You understand?
you come out.
But you are a nice person. You tell woman that thing, oh, nobody be Satan. Everybody get heart they melt. That person go don't serious and say, man, this guy true. He go be my friend.
But you know-
say,
but
he
Shakara-
tell me say, he don't want me,
But Shakara,
I still
okay,
need
we'll
this
go
thing.
back.
My school fees remain small. He still give me money, take join for my
am,
school
go
fees.
take do all those
Now, nice
things.
person, now come become friends.
Nice.
When you come back, I want to ask a question on this one. Say, if now that girl when they tell you say she don't love you today, tomorrow now you can't hammer, you can't love you. When you come back, I want
Maybe
to
this
talk
is
about
your opinion. When we come back, we can answer that question.
that. Let me move right.
Actually, I love him. Okay, he loves me, but I don't love him. I can manage it.
I will tell him or her that I am in love with someone else to stay away from me.
I go tell am. Say I no love am.
I go tell am say I no love am back because I think it's very bad. You know, good make people do relationship. Make you just the deceive person, you no love am and you just stay with am. So I'd rather tell the person that okay, I don't love you, I don't love you, I don't feel for you like you feel for me. Definitely the person will find someone else.
I go tell am say make you understand. I will try and I know you will say it in a matured way, Sha. In a matured way. You don't have to insult the person. You don't have to make the person feel bad.
Yes. So now welcome back. I say Bobozian with Day. That one I see opinion. I just see. So a matter what they talk about today. Now say if person love you pieces, but you no love that person, how you go take handle the matter? Then I'm waiting with they talk about today. Our social media portals they run through your screen. They send in your messages. Them we go reply you sharply. Showman be asked one question.
Because you know this matter of when they say a guy now or a girl won't stay on the person, most of the guy is always one because you see as a guy you feel no hold it now. But you don't see girl where you love well, you understand? And the girl eye big. She like big things. So you now they
love
believe
good things.
she love. Don't forget good things because everybody love good things. But most time girls they always like today when we dey canteen they chop. I hear clearly some of the people wey Belinda I won't call them. Ivie come this place today. Ivie Sylvia and Cindy. They gist, you understand? And I dey next to them. They talk about the one guy wey get C class and this one. All their gist now about person you know we get sick and the rest. Now you no can't get, you understand that kind of thing, but you love the girl today. But you go, they feel say this girl no love you now because of this. But tomorrow now you come.
No,
now,
it's normal thing that we're supposed to be used to it. It's normal thing.
So wait, you get how your life and this person
So man, even you where they get girls we love you will be say then they know they your you
my
see them
level. I
at
understand.
your level. You know won't consider them.
But let me what I'm saying is this. After me, I respect most girls we get prospect where they see guy we get prospect. Now I'm saying you and this girl day now she don't love you today. But when I see they become friends, when our friendship they build, even when not like from year 2000 say you love them. Now 2005 when they get closer, you self as the guy now they improve. You understand? Then you can't improve 2007 now you can't really hammer. Una friendship at 2000 don't really grow.
Yes, no.
Do you really think say that girl they really love you because at this time now you don't hammer or una don't really build?
Man, if I go because this one we bring now, don't now another wide
something.
He dey very
Because
well.
I go we go have some other day. But they confuse me now in the fact when you tell me say make I if I say I love person and the girl no agree and I really want this girl, how to follow am up for a very long time, then I no can't lose am and then maybe tomorrow she can't agree for me. And they feel like say maybe now why she don't agree that time? Why she agree now?
Okay,
I understand how you feel.
The reason why I
want
want skip this part where show my kind the matter go. If I get like 101 examples to talk inside there, so I go rather leave them. Then when we come back again, we talk about that. But based on if person love you, where you no love the person, I still borrow showman first this way first talk. Maybe you no remember. Say whether you know say that person where they love where you no love.
End up being your wife.
You understand? So that's why patients come in.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
And at the same time, marriage starts from the heart of a man.
True. To be woman on.
At all. Yes.
Hey! Shakara, he said to get married.
No, but true.
Tell me.
If you want to get married, it starts from the heart of a man.
So
it's
woman,
from
where
you.
start from?
Calm down. Now waiting
Woman start from
wait, now waiting woman see from you.
They take them from where.
Now where your own stand. Woman they take them from you.
Now they tell you. Woman don't know say she go marry. But you, that woman never know who go marry her. Now you go first know.
Who you go marry?
Say yes before the woman.
Marry. He gets some babe we know who they want marry. Babe when they marry man go.
Now all those countries. With the talk of the average.
Look at you.
The average.
Meanwhile, I
don't get time.
I saw your girlfriend at the airport.
Who?
Rita Dominic. So
really?
She gave me a card. Wait,
now you keep quiet.
See this guy.
So you go to collect cards from.
She give me a personal number. I called her and say, you should watch our show. There's one guy they call MC Shakara. He's always arguing about our love. She can say, I don't know. I go say, you don't have to know him, but I swear I don't like to.
You don't meet up with that. She don't know me. Get out. You just want to spoil my mood. No matter. My sweet mood. You just want to spoil my mood.
I can show you her this thing. I'll show you her card here.
Oh, yeah, now. I beg people waiting for our house. Now here we go dress, but you come on talk the matter today.
My girlfriend.
Now we don't go talk about too much. We go talk the matter again another day. See you.